What's up guys, welcome back. Goku Super Saiyan 3. This is from Legends, I think. I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Small face, so we'll have to zoom in here. Just sort of center point of my page is here, and I'm just zooming into this portion right here. Okay, so we'll start with the frown. No eyebrows, just like a bald brow. So it curves up and back down. And then we have the edge of this, which goes up onto his forehead a bit. Same thing basically on the other side, starting in the middle, curve around, up and over. And then we do the edge. This is covered by hair, but it's probably easier to just draw it in anyway. And then we have forehead lines. Boom, boom. And then the square Dragon Ball eyes inside. We get a small line and then a long diagonal. And then you just carve them together. Same thing on the other side. Long line, small line. And then just do a curved line to bring them together. And then we can see most of his green eye. It's not like he's not like looking up. It's more of a circle just here. So sometimes it's only like a half circle there, but we can actually see his whole pupil in this version of him. So just like a full sort of circle in there. And then we have the cheek lines. So these sort of check marks or like hatching lines just on top of his cheek. And then we get his nose. So Dragon Ball kind of left of center. You know, we're going to do this sort of hook shape. So we kind of go down. It's like a hook or like a question mark. Kind of upside down, kind of like that. And then they draw in the sort of shadow on the side of the nose. Just there. And then Goku has some like frowning sort of wrinkle lines here. In this version. Right, then he's gritting his teeth, so right underneath the nose, do a line that curves this way. It looks like his mouth is closed and that he's smiling, but we'll open it up, we'll curve down here. And then we'll curve down the other side. And then we'll bring it across the bottom. And then we gotta add just some teeth just here. And then some hatching just sort of on the bottom there. There's another sort of cheek sort of line there as well. Then we get a square chin. And the jawline comes up. It's about mouth level because we're looking like straight at him. So it goes like here. So you're aiming for like the mouth area and then underneath the corner of his eye. So it's like here, you know. So it's like there. And then we change our direction and go up towards his ear. So towards the eyebrow. Right, and then, so just beside this frown, we get his like sideburn area. And then the ear comes out from that. So it's like this little shape here. It's his hair, really, and then the ear comes out. Now, on this side, there's a hair spike right here, so it kind of like covers it, but we'll do this sort of sideburn. It's like a foot or something, and then it just comes out like that. And then there's some ear lines inside there. So in the middle we have a V, and then his hairline comes back up and out and joins the sideburn there. And on this side we have a big spike, so like a hair spike that comes down. Remember, if I go too fast, pause the video. Just hit pause. And we got texture lines in there. And then finish the hairline in here. So most of his hair like goes behind his shoulders, but we can draw the portion that's above the shoulders. So we'll just get his neck. I'll just do his big massive neck here. You know, neck muscles and stuff in there. So like most of the hair comes down behind this line. But I'll do the top half and then we'll draw the body and then we'll get the rest of the hair, okay? So let's just do the parts that go behind his shoulders, sort of starting here. And just do them one at a time. And in Super Saiyan 3, of course, like they're really big hair spikes. So we're going around this front layer first. So now the next layer, let's see. So we'll go here. And there's like a massive one here that goes behind his shoulder somewhere. And big one. And then I think there's another big one sticking out here. It goes behind his shoulder. Okay, so also like on the hair in Dragon Ball, textures. So just following each sort of hair spike shape, you just do a couple of these, 1 or 2 on each one. Or 3, you know, it's up to you how many you like to do, really. Okay. Okay, so now it's kind of a cool one because like his gi is kind of like all ripped, but it's like hanging. It's not like, it's like halfway between where he like loses the whole lot, you know, when he's in a battle. But say like over this side's kind of normal, so we kind of get these bumpy folding lines just coming over the shoulder. And then this comes down. It's kind of like ripped and torn there. And then we'll bring this side down. There's some like torn hanging off parts here. And we'll keep going. And they're all these folding lines, you know, they're just angles and stuff on them. And then we go the other side. Like lots of tears and So then this seems to be the bit, so that's sort of like hanging over his shoulder, right? So you know with Goku you have the orange bit and the blue bit underneath. So we'll do the blue bit. Right, and then blue just seems to go this way. And it's just a t-shirt really. Oh, and we can see his chest muscles just in here. Right, so this part hangs over his bicep sort of area, right? So we'll go just up here. And it goes over the arm. It's kind of ripped here. Right, so it's kind of, that's the orange part. And then we finish the orange down into his waistband, his blue waistband sort of down here somewhere. Where would it be? I think it's kind of higher, so it's like here. This is like some orange sections. And then this waistband kind of like that. That's orange. And then the waistband has all these crisscross sort of lines that swoop across just to show the folding fabric of the blue waistband. Then we get his pants just going this way. And then shoulder. Tricep. Forearm. Forearm going that way. And we'll come back and do the fist. I'll just get the other arm in first and the hair, because the fist will zoom into those as well, because there's a bit of detail in them. So it's like his shoulder and his blue t-shirt, and then like his arm width here. And you can see the bicep muscle inside here. That's the way they draw it in this one. And his forearm just goes into there. Maybe I have to draw the biceps first actually, because the hair goes behind the hands. So I'll do the hands. So I'll zoom into this section just so we can see it a bit more clearly, and then we'll go like a wristband, his blue wristband that he always wears. And then I think we can just see like the palm of his hand, you know, this double bump area. And then his thumb. And maybe you can see like another curve there. So you have his index finger, and we go out and we get 4 knuckles. Just sort of little bumps up there. Comes down to his pinky, and then 2 or 3 knuckles we can see there. Just like the back of the hand. So that's like the shape for the fist. And then each of these is a finger. 1, 2, 3. And then there's some sort of knuckle lines on top of these. I'm just curving over this part just to make it look like it's bending. The fingers are bending. And then next fist, pretty much the same thing. So we do the wristband. And then the double bump here. And then his thumb. Thumbnail. Index finger. And all these knuckles that come down. It's kind of spikes. And your middle finger knuckle is always the one that sticks out the most, see? Comes out the furthest. And then this goes down. And then 2 or 3 of those. And then each is a finger. Curve around for the knuckles. And the little triangle sort of shapes for the top knuckles. Oh, and we should probably see something in here. Maybe some skin or something. It's not on that side. Just that one sticks out a bit more than the others. Right, rest of the hair then. So we'll go. Sorry, my hair coming into the shot. So we'll go this way. So these ones are huge. Like these big hair spikes, like they get very big. Going down his body then. And then of course like textures. And if you want some like energetic lightning or aura and stuff, you know, this sort of, like if you wanted to color it blue, you don't have to of course, but some of this stuff. Just some blue lightning, just for dramatic effect. There he is, Super Saiyan 3 Goku. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.